Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Gmail and pressing Compose so you can work on the message now. Once the new window appears, make sure plain text mode is turned off because plain text removes size controls. Next, click the icon labeled Formatting Options to reveal the toolbar. This is necessary because font size choice is live there. You do this immediately so you can change size as you type. Without the toolbar, you can't adjust font size in Gmail. You now select or place the cursor where the text will go, because Gmail applies size changes to highlighted text or new typing. Once selected, open the font size drop-down on the formatting bar and choose small, normal, large, or huge depending on your need. That changes the inline style Gmail embeds. If you want a different typeface first, pick the font family, then adjust size so spacing and line breaks match. This order prevents unexpected. You finish by sending the message and immediately checking the sent preview to confirm the font size appears as intended. If the recipient's email client strips formatting and shows plain text, convert the content to a PDF or include a screenshot to preserve exact sizing. If you can't access the font tools, make sure plain text mode is off and disable any browser extensions that alter Gmail. Once done, reload Gmail and reopen Compose so the formatting bar returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.